In this video, we will show you how HimNi entered into exhibitions. For the first time, we participated in an exhibition conducted by Go Floaters on 22nd of December 2019 in one of Asia's biggest pub, which is located in Hannur, Bangalore, at Big Brewiski, which can house more than 1,500 people at a time. We realized the hard work goes behind these exhibitions, so HimNi thought of supporting the exhibitors with accommodation and fleet services. We were already supporting the corporates with accommodation, and our value proposition were daily housekeeping with spacious bedrooms, high-speed internet, and not to forget our instant payment systems. In order to assist the exhibitors to do their job perfectly well, we thought of offering our services. And this is how we landed up to be the hospitality partner of most of the exhibitors in India. And from there on, we went on supporting one exhibition after the other. And we received enormous response from this industry. We started extending our services from accommodation to fleets and also air tickets, a complete value for money. Not only that, we also assist these exhibitors by setting up a travel desk completely free of cost. Today, HimNi is the most preferred hospitality partner for most of the exhibitors in India, and that is because we provide them accommodation and fleet services at the most competitive rates across 5-star hotels to budget hotels. And our team assists every participant and the organizing team with our flawless services. Our senior management also actively participates during these exhibitions and supports the exhibitors. HimNi believes in you deserve the best service every time.